Hello beautiful family, what's up with you all? Welcome back to another beautiful video. So in today's video I want to show you what I eat almost every 2-3 days. I eat this at least 2 or 3 times in a week, recovering from cancer. And this is beans and plantain. I really eat this a lot, it's just that I haven't made video about it. I eat beans a lot these days, at least if I eat it today, I don't eat it tomorrow, the next day I'm eating beans. If not be say the thing can't go dear where that's the thing is very expensive now. But yet I still manage to buy beans and eat. Now I love eating beans because it actually helps us to repair our body tissues. When our body tissues are now after your girl had cancer and then trying to recover, lost a lot of body tissue, a lot of weight, a lot of things from the body. So I need beans to help me to recover. So beans really helps us to recover fast, and also it's packed with protein and iron that the body needs. And this also empowers our T cells, that's our immune system. It also empowers our immune system to help us fight off disease. So I eat beans a lot. And also in today's dish I included plantain, or ripe plantain to it. And ripe plantain is packed with vitamin C. It contains vitamin C that also helps us to fight off free radicals, and also contains iron that helps us for building our body. So that's why I love combining beans and unripe plantain sometimes. And then there are times that I'll just eat the beans like that, or just prepare it like that and eat it. As at when I was still in the hospital, or when my case was still very strong, I really don't eat beans. I eat beans in very little quantity. That time, if I want to eat it as beans, if I want to eat beans at all, I eat it as moi moi. Moi moi. I don't know how many of you know moi moi, because maybe those of you watching me outside Nigeria, you may not know what moi moi is. Maybe one of these days when I'm making it, I'm also going to show you. So I ate it as moi moi then, because that one digests faster than this one. And when I was dealing with cancer, I had serious issues with digestion. If I eat small thing, my tummy would be very, very heavy. It was very hard for my food to digest. So if I wanted to eat beans, I used to eat beans then, but just little. At the time itself, I could not eat at all. So I used to force myself to eat, and then take that pap or oatmeal, just so I can take my supplements then. So but now the belly door open, I dey eat. I eat a lot right these days, you get. So beans is one of the favorite foods I love eating. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as always, and also share. Drop your comments. Thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all. I see all your comments in the previous video about my demonetization kiniko. Thank you all guys. I really appreciate you all, and I love you all. Please stay safe and stay well. If you can't, make sure you eat beans, so it help. Alright guys, bye bye. I love you. I'll see you in my next video. That's what I'm telling you guys. Mwano.